The ECITB have helped develop some wind turbine training standards. It's to do with in-service lift statutory inspections to ensure that they can maintain them to their legal requirements so that we can increase the number of people that are going to be required to meet the government's targets, and to give the producers and the contractors the confidence that the people that they're hiring know exactly what they're going to do, how they're going to inspect the equipment, and they know that when they've signed on the dotted line that it's going to be safe and usable for their technicians to go and maintain the wind turbines.
Hexas had identified the requirement for the training that was needed for the sector, and we're very proud to be able to deliver these fantastic new ECITB standards.
The course has been developed to create a baseline of competence with regards to statutory inspection and maintenance. As the industry grows and as more and more people will be needed to fill the skills gap for the amount of technicians required to do this job, it's really important that the people we're bringing into the industry are given the right start with the right knowledge, and when they're actually employed, they're not completely green, they know what they're getting into, and there's already that level of competence and safety built into them so that employers can really utilise their skills from day one.
The inspection itself was quite easy. It sort of a lot to remember, but you have a checklist, you can just go through your checklist and it's perfect. With the theory side of it, you can only sort of get one sort of perspective of it, but with the practical side, you can then see what you actually spoke about in practice. So like changing the wire is completely different to seeing it in person than just reading something about it.
With COP26 in the news, and we need to change the way we're making energy, so it's really inspiring to work in an industry which would solve the issues we're facing today.
The ultimate goal is that we are raising competencies and reducing the risks to ensure that the level of personnel going out to certify these pieces of equipment have been trained to an accredited level.
It's really important that we work collaboratively as we move forward to try and achieve the energy transition and meeting that net zero target. About a quarter of our companies work in renewable energy. We're also very used to working in highly regulated, safety critical environments. It's been fantastic to work with Hexas in developing the training standard for the wind turbine statutory maintenance and inspection. It's difficult work, it's quite technical in nature, and to be able to deliver this training shows how working with quality training partners with really good standards delivers exactly the sort of training that's required for the industry and will ensure that it can operate safely and effectively, meeting the statutory requirements.